What up? It's FingerSkateSelective here. Got home from work a few minutes ago, and there's a box, the UPS left. Just did the unboxing yesterday of the Black River signature ramp, and there's something here today already. So, pretty big box. Oh yeah. This one's from Aphlikshun. Haven't opened it yet. You're seeing it very first time here, so it's gonna be kind of a messy video because this box is so big. And my knife is dull, but you'll see what's going on here. Oh, I think this is all part of it. Aphlikshun. If you guys haven't seen my Aphlikshun fingerboard review, go check it out. Same company right here. And if I can open it up, I'll show you what I got from them. Should be pretty crazy. Okay. So I'm going to set the box over here real quick and grab this out of it. Whoa. Peanuts. Galore. Tape. Holy jeez, this thing is so super huge, I can't even believe it. That is insane. That is crazy. I gotta pick this up. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Let me put a fingerboard on there. Oh, sorry about the TV being on. I just noticed that. But anyway, it's the big ledge from Aphlikshun. Be on the lookout for the review for it. Later.